If your phone is anything like mine, it pings all day long with messages from family and friends. We share dozens of pictures and videos back and forth, usually without a second thought. But then an alert pops up in the family group chat. It's a video showing massive floodwaters completely wiping out your aunt's town square. Your stomach drops. You want to warn everyone immediately, but you pause. With today's technology, artificial intelligence can generate incredibly realistic scenes in seconds. You look at the screen and you honestly cannot tell if you are looking at a true natural disaster or a computer-generated fake. It is easy to feel like we simply cannot trust anything we see online anymore. But the existence of artificial intelligence does not mean we have to give up on believing our own eyes. The confusion you feel in that moment is not your fault. The problem is that right now, we are looking at images and videos without any tools to tell us where they actually came from or how they were made. Think about what happens when you walk into a neighborhood store and pick up a new snack from the shelf. Before you eat it, you instinctively turn the bag around. You look at the nutrition label to see exactly what ingredients are inside. But when you look at this digital photo right next to it, there is absolutely nothing explaining what went into making the image. We expect to know the exact ingredients of the food we put into our bodies, yet we consume hours of digital content every single day without any way to check the ingredients of what we are putting into our minds. To clear up the confusion online, we need that exact same system. We need a digital nutrition label attached to every single piece of media on the internet. A global group of technology companies and creators called the Content Authenticity Initiative has built exactly this system. On an image equipped with this system, a CR icon sits in the corner. Clicking it reveals who created the file, any edits made, and if AI was used. It translates complicated background code into plain, everyday language. You no longer have to squint at a picture and guess if it is authentic. The exact history of the file is sitting right there for you to read. You don't need a complicated new app. The technology is already being built directly into the cameras and phones we use every day. The moment you take a picture, the camera automatically creates the content credential. When moved to a laptop for editing, it travels with it, recording all changes. When published to social media, this history remains locked to the file. You don't need a computer science degree to trace this journey. Following the history of the file is as simple as clicking a button. Because this security is permanently woven into the file, from the second the camera clicks until the moment it reaches your screen, bad actors have a very hard time hiding or erasing the truth. This global effort is also taking root right here at home. Advocates like Roland Banyas are leading the push for digital trust within the Philippines. He is part of a growing group of Filipino teachers, artists, and lawmakers working together to ensure these transparency tools reach everyone, from students to professionals. We aren't waiting around for someone else to fix our internet. There is a real, active movement happening right now in our communities to adopt this standard. Let's go back to that family group chat. The video of the devastating flood is still sitting there on your screen, but this time, instead of instantly forwarding it to your other relatives in a panic, you notice the content credentials icon in the corner, and you tap it. The digital label pops up. It clearly lists that no camera was used and that the entire flood scene was generated by an artificial intelligence tool. You breathe a sigh of relief knowing your aunt's town is perfectly safe. Having those facts directly at your fingertips takes the power away from the deceptive video and hands control right back to you. Years ago, the Philippines launched a campaign called Think Before You Click. It taught us all to pause and reflect on our responsibilities before we posted anything online. Content credentials offer the modern upgrade to that exact same idea, built specifically for the age of artificial intelligence. The next time a shocking video or photo comes across your screen, look for the label, click it, and read the ingredients before you hit the share button. When we combine our own smart habits with technology that shows us the exact history of what we are looking at, we ensure our digital spaces are built on truth rather than fear.